Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Visual Studio Code and opening it now. Pick the correct installer for your OS and run it. Once done, launch VS Code and complete the initial prompts so the UI loads. Make sure to sign in only if you want sync and settings backed up. Then, install a color theme, the language support extension you need, and Git integration. These first steps give you a working editor, syntax highlighting, and source control, key for productive work from minute one. You now create or open a project folder to work in. This makes features like search, terminals, and extensions context-aware. Once your folder is open, initialize Git to track changes. Git init, add a sensible. Git ignore, then commit. Next, set up the integrated terminal and configure the debugger and tasks. JSON so you can run and test with one click. Also, install language-specific linting and formatters. They fix issues automatically and keep code consistent as you develop. You finish by running your app using the Run panel or the configured debugger. Add breakpoints to inspect variables and step through code. Once you verify behavior, refine editor settings, format on save, tab size, and key bindings to speed future work. If something breaks, check the problems and output panels and open DevTools for extension errors. A reliable troubleshooting tip: restart VS Code, disable recent extensions, and ensure your path includes required runtimes. This resolves
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.